How to fix error code 21230011 on Nintendo Switch. So if you want to fix the connection issue on your Nintendo Switch, then just follow the process. First, you can go with the Nintendo support and enter your error code, which is 21230011. You need to click on it, and you can go with Nintendo Switch or Nintendo Switch 2, whichever you're using, and enter your error code. And here you will have the solution. So click on the error code, and as you can see that it says the information is about how to fix the problem of your error code. So there are some possible solutions from Nintendo itself. The first solution is to restart the console. If the console does not respond, hold down the power button for 12 seconds to force it to shut down, then power on the console again. If you don't know how to restart a Nintendo Switch console, you'll have the solution right here, if it's a Nintendo Switch 2 or if it's a Nintendo Switch console. After that, move the console within 10 to 15 feet of the wireless router to improve the signal strength during troubleshooting. After that, you need to power cycle your home network. To power cycle your home network, you need to unplug the power cable from both the modem and wireless router. And if the modem's lights remain on, this may indicate you have a backup battery installed. You need to remove this battery to power cycle the modem. After 30 seconds, you need to plug the power cable back into the modem and wait for the lights to remain steady. Plug the power cable back into the router and wait for the router lights to remain steady. After that, you need to perform a connection test and make a note of the connection test results. And then you can move any metal objects or electronic devices away from your Nintendo Switch 2 or Nintendo Switch console and wireless router. This includes filling cabinets, speakers, power strips, glass, or cordless phones that may interfere with wireless signals. And then you need to manually enter an alternate DNS to determine if the DNS you are currently using is not working. And if the issue still persists, you can try connecting online using a different access point. But if your situation is still not resolved, then you need to just scroll down on this page and then click on yes if the issue occur at other access points, no if it issue only on your access point, and then you will have the solution again. But if your solution still persists, then you can contact the support page. So click on contact us, and then you can talk to a human. You will have live chat, you will have text messages, you will have calls, but make sure that they're not on a holiday and it's open. Once you see that it's open, in my case, it says that it'll be back at 6 a.m. So I can come back at 6 a.m. on this website and I'll be able to call or text or SMS or just have a live chat. Or you can also ask the chatbot about your problem. And this way you'll be able to fix your error code 21230011. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.